The new GoHighLevel AI website builder legit replaced website designers overnight. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it so you can create world-class websites in minutes. So this is the new AI website builder inside of GoHighLevel. It is not this thing right here, okay? I want to make this abundantly clear. These are two different things before we get started. A lot of people think, oh, I know the AI website builder inside of HighLevel, and they think it's this thing. No. This is the old one. This is the new one, and it is insane. I'm telling you, it's crazy. So in order to activate this, you're going to come all the way down to settings in your sub account, go right to labs, scroll all the way on down, and do Agent Studio and toggle this on. This is how we're going to get this bad boy right here, AI Studio, enabled. So then we're going to click AI Studio. So guys, I'm about to blow you away with this, and I'm going to show you so many different ways we can build websites using this, whether it be e-commerce, okay, whether it be just building just a random website from scratch coming from brain, or we can even clone other people's websites in here if you like the look of something. I'm telling you, this is absurd. It is crazy. Also, while I'm going through this, if you have any questions during the video, drop them in the comments down below and I will answer personally. All right, so let's start. Let's just do this. Let's say, please build me a website for Declan's Landscaping in Winchester, Virginia. Make it clean with really good, let's do pictures, and, okay, watch this, and I want forms in there to collect info and a reviews section. So this isn't even that in depth, but I'm asking it to create a bunch of stuff. So again, this builder, guys, does not just build, I mean, this is really important, does not just build websites. It builds forms, it connects to CRM, it legit does all of it for you. So we're gonna enter and we're gonna see exactly what this thing can do. By the way, if this builder looks completely weird and you're like, what is this? And you don't know how any of this works, I have a video I'm linking at the end that's just gonna be a complete tutorial of this entire AI Agent Studio so you know where everything is, how to do stuff and whatnot. But as you see here, it's gonna create not only the website, but it's gonna create SEO, it's gonna create images, it's going to create forms, okay? Register custom fields. It's going to do everything. It's literally going into GoHighLevel, okay, and going through these exact tabs and doing the work for you. There is nothing as powerful as this. I'm telling you, this is the future. This thing is absolutely insane. Boom, look at this. Declan's Landscaping. Look at his buttons, everything. I mean, this looks amazing. Again, you want real reviews. It's just making shit up. But like forms and everything, like it created the form, guys. And this is all I said, like this is so not dialed in. So the pro tip here, and this is what you really need to do, and this is how, you know, you really get stuff, because this is obviously amazing for the little I said, but in these prompts, you want to type out way more and give it detail. Give it the phone, the name, okay, the email. Give it everything that you would need to do, the exact way you want it to go. Then it will do much better. You don't want to just give it a little thing. I mean, I gave it a little thing, and it still worked so freaking well. So that's insane, but still, you want to go a step further because that's how you're going to get the customization to be the way you want it. You can also create multiple pages through here and just create the entire website. So like, again, the pro tip is you want to be way more thorough with your prompting. But then what you can do too is it's not just done. You can now through here do a lot more stuff, okay, and basically do ongoing edits too. So as you see down here, you can pick some of these. It says add a photo gallery of completed projects, implement dark mode toggle, add sticky font calling out. You can do all kinds of stuff. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add a photo gallery. And again, it's very simple. You just click it and it'll work. Now we can also type stuff in, which I'm gonna show you in a sec, but the whole goal is once we get it, we start tweaking it to get it the way we want it. Okay, very important. This is the way we go through this entire process. We want to make sure we keep going and dialing to get it perfect. And by the way, up here you see preview. This will be code. This will show you all of the code that it's building. It's amazing. Look at all that. And then this right here is just going to show you the preview very simply. And then right here, this will be desktop. This will be mobile. You can change like that to see kind of how it all looks. And then right there, that'll open a new tab, and then this refreshes. So that's how you use all of this. This just closes the toolbar. This is view your history. And then we'll go into publish in a second once we kind of get this dialed in the way that I want it. Boom, added photo gallery. Let's see. Boom, wow. Again, that's not actual completed projects. You're gonna wanna make sure it's putting in the right thing, but still, look how cool that works. It's got categories too. I mean, it's just insane how good it looks. I mean, these are like great images put in such a cool layout. This kind of stuff is just so powerful, guys. Like it's mind-blowing to me. Back in the day, this one little thing would have taken forever to build because look at this. got all the cool little fonts. It's got the little hover. It pops. Like, it's got custom CSS. It's got everything. All I did was type something in. That's it. That's literally all you had to do. And you can do so many different things. You can change the language of the website. You can change the color of the buttons. I mean, anything you want. All you do is type it in. So let's think of another thing, because we got more to cover. You're going to be blown away here. I mean, we can even turn this thing into an e-commerce store. But let's do, this is cool. This is cool. Let's do make all the colors. Green is really good. We're just going to do this, though. Purple and gold and white. Okay, obviously, we don't want these guys. This is going to be like too much on the eyes, but my goal is just to show you what's possible by showing you how we can kind of vibe code our website as we go through. By the way, guys, if you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments down below, and I will answer. Okay, boom, look at this. Actually, purple looks not bad, but like this just looks too much on the eyes. Yeah, too much on the eyes. But it's still like, it's the fact that in a couple of seconds, I can just click it and it will do all of this for me. It's absolutely insane. It's just so powerful. Okay, this is why we love this. Your job now is to go through, keep asking it questions, get it to work better until you have your final product. That's the whole goal here. And you can have it build more pages. You can have it do whatever you want. So make your prompting better, go through and keep dialing this in. So to make this thing live, you're going to click publish. And then right here, it's going to pop up on this domain, or you can add the custom domain once you publish and get it set up, which is like where you connect your domain. So if we click publish, okay, we come in here, we can go through, have the description, the icon. This will be like your favicon, all that. That's going to be all of your metadata. And then we can click apply changes. I don't want to publish this, but it'll go through, and then you can connect a real website to it. And then as you see, it's going to be right in here. So if you click apply changes and then click publish, it's going to go through the whole thing. So again, I don't want to do that, but that's how you do it when you want to get live, and you can connect said high-level domain that you have set up, because it's going to be integrated into high-level. That's the whole goal. Then from there, the forms, the contacts, you can edit it more and have all of this plugged into one spot. It is absolutely insane. Like I'm telling you, this is mega powerful. And the thing is that people still won't know how to use this, or they'll just be impatient, because with the more powerful AI gets, the stupider people are and the more lazy they are. We see this with social media and life in general. You know what I mean? It's never been easier to drive to the store and pick up groceries, but people Uber Eats everything. Like with convenience, laziness goes up. So like, these features are still so good to sell because you can change everything. You even just give your existing clients a free website upgrade. But that's essentially how you would go through building a website from scratch. Now, you can turn this into an e-commerce store or really do whatever. By the way, I have other videos on how to vibe code and build apps. I'll be linking those at the end, so don't worry. But you can do all kinds of stuff with this. But now what I want to show you is something a little different, and a way to utilize this, which is going to be basically going in and copying someone else's website. This is money. Now, spoiler alert, there's a little tease here. I'm going to be creating a video. It's actually already done. But the video is basically on a business model where you can copy people's websites and then upsell them on GHL. So as opposed to having to give them a new website, you can just have their existing website on high level, cut their fees in half with their other person, lowball them, and then upsell them to high level. It is possibly the most sneaky business model. Don't worry, that video is going to be published soon. Watch that, because that is going to be a game changer. But what I want to show you now is a very, very cool way to just clone websites. Again, they have e-commerce too if you want that. But let's go through cloning said website. Now, to clone the website, go to whatever website you want. We're just going to come to my hair salon. You're going to copy the URL, just copy it, come right back and say, I want this website cloned. Period, paste, then click enter. It might be the page because I only specified the page, but you're just going to put this in and it can literally take said website and clone it. This is really powerful. By the way, guys, while this is loading, really important, if you are interested in learning more about this and learning from me, the Go High Level award-winning wizard, and getting access to all of my stuff, there's a 30-day free trial link down below. When you sign up with that, you get access to my entire private community, all of my trainings, which is more than anyone else's, snapshot sales scripts like client getting systems to help you get clients, and then most importantly, 8 live coaching calls with real agency owners that are really using high level, that are really good at this stuff, that you get to attend for free. And guys, as you see right here, if we click any of these, they say free, no upsells. Enjoy. You can also message me whenever you want up here, and I'll get to you ASAP. So like, all of this stuff is free when you sign up with that 30-day free trial link down below. But if you don't believe me, just click the link and see the testimonials. I'm telling you, no one does it like we do it. It is absolutely insane. But without further ado, let me show you how we can clone this website and have it pop up in seconds. Boom, look at this. Okay, it's not too. It's actually really clean. Now the background image is not the same as this one, but I could see where it got messed up because it's really dark. But it's pretty much the exact same thing with one product. I mean, that's amazing, to be honest. That is actually amazing. Now I didn't get the logo, but I could always ask it, take the logo and slap it in, and do a bunch of other stuff. So that's easy enough. I just talked to it, but it just cloned a website. It literally just cloned an entire website. So now what you can do is you can go to these other businesses, clone their website, and then add in more stuff and then connect it to GoHighLevel CRM and then upsell them on those features. Again, I have a video coming on that's going to be like the ultimate strategy with this, but like that's so sneaky. That is just so sneaky because the problem that so many people had was when you worked with them, it was, I already have a website. I'm not interested. But now it's like, it doesn't matter. Like, we can get you hooked up. So this is truly incredible. I mean, it really is. Like, this is the next level of all of this stuff. So, guys, this is how powerful this new AI website builder is. You come in, you ask anything. You can even do e-commerce stores. So if we go back to our Declan's landscaping, we can just turn this into an e-commerce store by typing it in. I mean, that's literally all we have to do. We just have to utilize this feature and then we're good to go. So I know I'm going to be linking the other video at the end that's going to show you some of this, but basically it's very simple. All of the stuff on the left-hand side is going to be your projects, your starred. You see it right there. You can click My Projects, starred, which would be clicking, let me come back here, this little star thing, and then templates, which is all the different things you can build here, and then you're good to go, or you just type what you want. And to delete anything, you click these three dots, you click delete, rename, move to folder, star. Simple as that. Very easy peasy, but this is how powerful this feature is. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. This is the future. If you have questions, drop them down below. I will answer. If you are interested in high level learning how to sell this thing and all my tricks and help from me, we got the 30-day free trial down below. So make sure you either upgrade, start anew, or if you already have it, click the other link. But more importantly, I'm going to be linking that video at the end of this video. It's going to go really in depth on kind of all of this and the templates and really explain this way more in depth. And that's going to be linked at the end of the video. So again, thank you for watching, and make sure you watch the video that pops up in 1 second on this screen.